Hi, I am Musnana Siha binti Muakimi from CFAP 2245B. This video is about construction safety, identifying and managing hazards for construction worker.
In this topic, we can learn how important managing hazards for construction worker at the site. What is hazard? Construction hazards refer to situations that create a threat to life, health, property, the environment, personal integrity, and so on. Hazards differ from risks in that risks describe the potential for a situation such as a hazard to cause harm. Hazards in construction include working with heavy plant and machinery, tools and equipment, leaf electricity, and fire and explosion risks. Slips, trips, and falls are the largest cause of accidents in all sectors including construction. Next is common construction hazards. First, fall hazards and prevention measures. Falls are a leading cause of injuries and fatalities in the construction industry. They can occur from various heights and surfaces, leading to severe injuries including broken bones, head trauma, and even death. Second, electric hazards and safety protocol. Electric hazards are a significant threat in the construction industry, posing a serious risk of shock, burn, and electrocution. They can arise from various sources, including overhead power lines, which contact with overhead power lines can result in fatal electric shock. Third one is hazardous materials hazards in construction. Construction sites often involve the use and handling of hazardous materials, which can pose serious health and environmental risks if not managed properly. These materials can include asbestos. This naturally occurring mineral can cause serious lung disease, including cancer. Here is the situation where hazard happened at construction site.
Fall of person through the openings. Fall of tools or other materials through the openings, which may strike the persons below or damage equipment. Openings more than 1 meter shall be closed and provided with a guardrails comprising of top rail, mid rail, and toe board. Additionally, safety net may be placed over openings.
Importance of construction safety in protecting workers. First, reduces injuries and fatalities. The construction industry is inherently risky with numerous potential hazards such as fall from heights, falling objects, electrical hazards, and exposure to hazardous materials. Effective safety practices can significantly reduce the occurrence of these incidents and protect workers from harm. Second, improves worker morale and productivity. When workers feel safe and secure in their work environment, they are more likely to be motivated and productive. This translates to better quality work, fewer delays, and overall project success. Third, reduces workers' compensation costs. Injuries and accidents are costly for employers in terms of workers' compensation payments, medical expenses, and lost productivity. Implementing safety measures can significantly reduce these costs. Methods to identifying construction hazards. Identifying construction hazards is crucial for ensuring the safety of workers and the public. Here are some key methods used to identify potential dangers on construction sites. First, worksite inspection. Regularly conduct walkthroughs of the entire site. These involve visually inspecting all areas of the site, paying close attention to the potential hazards such as exposed electrical wires, hazardous materials, and flammable liquids. Take note of existing safety signage and warnings. These signs can help identify potential hazards and remind workers of safety protocols. Second, hazard identification and risk assessment (HIRA). This is a systematic process for identifying and evaluating potential hazards in the workplace. It involves a team of workers, supervisor, and safety professionals working together to identify, analyze, and prioritize risk. Third, reviewing plans and specification. Carefully review construction plans, drawing, and specification. These documents can provide valuable information about potential hazards, the type of work being performed, the materials being used, and the equipment being operated. Assessing the severity and potential impact of identified hazards. Once you have identified potential hazards on construction site, it's crucial to assess their severity and potential impact to determine the appropriate course of actions. Here's how. First is severity rating. Consider the potential consequence of the hazard. This includes the likelihood of an incident occurring and the severity of the potential injuries or damage. Second is likelihood rating. Estimate the likelihood rating of the hazard occurring. This depends on the several factors such as the frequency of exposure to the hazard, the effectiveness of existing controls. Third is impact assessment. Consider the potential impact of the hazard can various stakeholders. This may include workers, injuries, fatalities, and lost productivity. Benefits of systematically identifying and managing hazard for construction worker. Systematically identifying and managing hazards for construction workers offers a benefit for the worker. Here's a breakdown of the key benefits. First is reduced risk of injuries and fatalities. By proactively identifying and addressing hazards, the likelihood of accidents and their severity is significantly decreased, protecting workers from harm. Second, improved health and well-being. A safe work environment fosters a sense of security and peace of mind, contributing positively to workers' mental and emotional well-being. Third, increased productivity. When workers feel safe and focused, they are able to work more efficiently and productively, leading to the higher quality work and project completion. Last one is enhanced job satisfaction. Working in a safe environment fosters positive moral and job satisfaction, leading to a more engaged and motivated workforce. For the conclusion, construction safety is not a destination. It's a continuous journey that requires unwavering commitment and ongoing efforts. By systematically identifying and managing hazards, construction companies can significantly improve safety outcomes, protecting workers from harm and ensuring the well-being of all involved.
Thank you for watching.